loves, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Zona. I hope you like, share and subscribe on my channel right here, and I hope you enjoy my video today. I'm going to show you what fits in my bag, Givenchy Ariana Grande bag, the Eden bag. I just love this bag so much, and I've been wearing them a lot since I got it, and I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. Here it is. It's so beautiful. I have it in this color. It's almost like all my Louis Vuitton monogram bag. I just so love it. I love how the leather seems to be really durable for lambskin. It's just so nice, and I like the yellow threading around it and the small Givenchy logo here and the yellow interior. It's leather from inside and out. So I'm going to show you what's inside this bag and what can fit on this bag. This is a special request from Lana It's. She commented on my other video for unboxing on this one, and she requested for me to do what fits in this bag video, and here it is. I'm preparing this for her, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Hi Lana, thank you so much for this request, and so I'm giving it to you, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this will help with your purchase of this bag. So, and if you haven't seen the unboxing for this bag, I got this around Valentine's Day for a gift. I have the link down below, so I'll make sure I have it there. All right, so let's get started. And I don't know, this bag just makes me happy every time I plan to bring them with me. It's just, I have a special feeling for this bag, especially that I got this for Valentine's gift. So here it is. I could fit a lot, so I kind of fill it up. I don't carry 3 or 4 lipstick with me, but just to show you. And I want to show you the whole scenario on what you could put inside this bag. It's just amazing. It looks small, but yet you could fit a lot. This was a purchase from Nordstrom, and so I could fit 3 Chanel lipstick in here, as you can see. So I got 3 Chanel lipstick, and then I got my Ray-Ban. So I have my sunnies, my Ray-Ban sunglasses. So this one is here as well. And then I could fit 2 card holders. I have my Chanel in black caviar. It's like a classic card holder. And I have my Saint Laurent, another card holder. And then it's amazing to know that my mini pochette can also fit in here. And the key clay I have for Louis Vuitton, so it also can fit in this little bag. And my cell phone. So there's a lot you can fit. And my mini pochette is actually like almost full. I have lipstick in here. I have my hand cream. And then I have some gloves in here. I have my thermometer, my clips, and my lip balm. And then I have some candies here as well. So there's a lot you could do on this bag. So you can fit a lot of here, a lot of stuff in here. It's just amazing. So, and this actually, you could wear this as a shoulder bag like so, and I usually carry it as a crossbody because I'm always in a hurry somehow. I live quite a fast-paced life with my work, so when I'm busy, I would wear it this way. I also sometimes put a little charm in here. So I put my little charm. I forgot where it is. I have a cute one that kind of match this color. So I would use it with this. But I don't want to wear a lot of charm or load this with a lot of charm because I don't want the metals to scratch. So sometimes I just wear it like by itself. So that's the bag. It's so cute. I really like it. Sometimes I also just bring it and put it in the crook of my elbow, just like that. And that's a shoulder bag, so it just sits here by your waistline, just by your hip. Just perfect. I'm about 5'4", and I hope this helps. Let me show you. Oh, on the back, I forgot to mention, there's also a back pocket. I put another kirigami here in the back, so that's quite a lot. And inside, you don't actually need to bring a card holder, so you could put another wallet or a few more items if you're just gonna use the pockets here inside to put some cards in here, and there's another flat pocket in there. And the inner lining is burgundy. Very, very luxurious. I love how the lambskin, the feel is so soft, very rich, and it seems to me this is probably more durable than my Chanel lambskin bag. So this is very good quality. So that is it for my video today. I hope you like it, and make sure you click the link down below for my other videos, and hopefully you watch and share them to your friends. I hope you subscribe. I hope you enjoy watching my short video. Have a good day. Have a good life wherever you are. Stay safe and calm. I love you.